This video is for Nigerians that wants to earn in YouTube without ever having to show their face on YouTube, just by creating videos with AI instead. Here's a step-by-step guide on YouTube automation. First thing you need to do is you need to start a channel in a profitable niche, like telling African folk tale stories. Here are some channels to copy from. They post very simple videos that are made with AI in under a few minutes. And let me show you how to do it. First of all, you will need a script, obviously. So you head over to AI and ask it to generate a African folktale YouTube video script for you. Then you take the script to another AI platform that will help you convert your script into a voiceover.
Once upon a time in a lush African savanna lived a hare named Speedy. Speedy was known for it.
And after that, you proceed to another AI platform which will automatically convert both your script and your voiceover with generated AI images to a video for you, so you can post it on YouTube and earn from it. As you can see, it's very easy to do, and just like that, in very easy steps, you have a full video to post on your YouTube. I've created a course/tutorial guide on how to create these videos properly, how to post and promote them on YouTube the right way to get more views so you earn more. The course is currently available for just 1,000 naira. Get it now, because that's just a promo price which will expire soon. Send a message on WhatsApp to the number displayed on the screen to get the course today. Thank you.
This AI tool, you can create videos for TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram while you sleep.
Did you know the average person loses over 2 hours each day due to distractions?
Autoclips.ai makes it insanely easy to automate your channel and grow on autopilot. Here's how it works. Head over to autoclips.ai and click on Create New. Here you can choose your series topic from a variety of options, or you can add your own custom topic and let the AI generate the prompt for you. Hit on Next and choose your image style, video length, and language. Once that's done, hit Next again, and here you have the audio options, and you can choose the narration voice and whether you want background music or not, and click Next. Now, you can connect your social accounts and let Autoclips publish videos on your behalf. Autoclips lets you choose when and on which days your videos will be auto-generated and auto-published to your social accounts. After you are done, click on Activate Series. The AI will generate your video together with the video title and the caption. See how easy it is? Visit autoclips.ai now or comment clips, and I'll send you the link to get started.
Thinking of running a faceless YouTube channel, but still want your characters to talk, react, and engage without ever showing your face? Then you're gonna love this. Today, I'm showing you how to use a powerful, completely free AI tool called Hedra that lets you lip sync any character or avatar to your voice, script, or even AI-generated speech. It's perfect for content creators, animators, voiceover artists, literally anyone who wants to create engaging faceless videos. Welcome to Big Wiz Media. My name is Kasiwa, and I'll be your tutor for today. If this video helps you out, please do these 3 simple things to support the channel. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. That's how you support the community and help us grow this channel, and I truly appreciate it. Let's dive in and bring your faceless YouTube content to life using nothing but smart tools and creativity. Let's get started. Visit Google and search for Hedra. Click on the first search result. Once you're on the Hedra website, click on the hamburger icon and then click on Sign Up. Open a new tab and search for Smail Pro. Click on Temporary Email Tools. Let's generate a new email address by clicking the plus icon. You can select either Microsoft or Google, but I'll stick with Google. For the domain, I'll choose gmail.com, and for the server, I'll choose a free server, of course. Now click Generate. Once the new email address is created, copy it and head back to the Hedra website. Paste the email address, choose a strong password. I'll use the Suggest Strong Password feature in Chrome. Confirm the password and click on Create an Account. A verification code will be sent to your email address at SmailPro. Go ahead and copy it from there. Then return to Hedra, paste the code, and confirm your account creation. Now, log into your Hedra account. Let's start creating awesome content with this tool. Can I hear you say, Power! Accept all the terms and conditions by Hedra and click on Create Account. Good. We're now in the Hedra dashboard. Mind you, you'll be given 300 credits to start creating with Hedra. If they give it